Hi guys, hope you all are doing great. Here is the channel message for you. If this video reached you, then take it as a confirmation from universe. And if anyone belongs from Chembur or Ramgarh side, here is the message. I don't know किसके लिए ये है, but when I was doing meditation, I was continuously seeing Chembur and Ramgarh. You need to practice cord cutting, okay, एंड टेक इट एज अ कन्फर्मेशन. अगर आपको 444 या 666 दिखता है, यू आर प्रोटेक्टेड, स्पिरिट गाइड्स आर विद यू, यू आर ऑन द राइट ट्रैक. इट्स टाइम टू सरेंडर and recover from the past hurt. New beginnings are coming in your life. You can expect a baby, you can plan a baby, and control your expenses. If this message resonated with you and helped you, then do comment.